Folks, so trying a different angle today. Got a chest cam on, so we'll see how that goes. Try them out with a wind mic too, because it's windy, so I hope you can hear me. So I've got 4 hours today, just have a little go. This land I'm on, I've been on once, 2, maybe 3 years ago, definitely no more than 3 years ago. But, the woman said that people have been here in the past. They have found apparently an arrowhead. She said, although she didn't see it, so who knows if it's true or not. I just want to give a shout out to a new channel. I think he's only done 2 videos so far. Mental Detector. Mental Detector. I've got a link in my description. He's just started out. He runs a mental health, excuse me if I got this wrong, a mental health charity. Is that what you call it? I think it's called Hummingbirds. So obviously we all know metal detecting is extremely good for your mental health. So Mental Detector, I'll put a link in the description. Give them a watch, give them a support, like and subscribe. And let's take him on this metal detecting journey that we all go on. Right, see you on the next hole. Okay, signal here. I thought it was that, but it's not. It's under that, so we'll have to get that out. Okay, if you can hear it going off, sorry. Let's have a look. Looks like, I don't know what that is. Nothing great. Probably wood, that is it? No, just junk. Oh well, let's put stone back in there. Fill me all in. Beautiful view. See for miles. Okay, so we got a signal in this clod. Not made deep, and I'm on the footpath, so it could well be junk. But while I'm hands free, I thought we would look it together. So it looks like I would say it's like that reminds me of something off a shed. And when it's on the shed, oops. You turn it and it just locks itself, so it's like that, and then you turn it and the door's locked. Might be wrong. Clean it up and have a look, but I don't think that's anything interesting. Oh well, while I'm here, just talk about an Unearthed product. I know I'm on their team, but that's got nothing to do with this. I'll pinpoint a LANYARD, probe LANYARD. Good quality, good thickness of that. And then it straps down onto your bag. Perfect, better than those little weenie things that pinpointers normally come with. You're not losing that. If you lost this, you've lost your trousers. Put a link to this product and to Unearthed in the description too. Check them out if you want anything detecting wise. I'd check them out before you go anywhere else, because the chances are you won't need to go anywhere else. Right, let's carry on detecting. I didn't film this one coming out. Looks like a button to me. Very thick though. Got a bit of weight to it. Don't know if you can see. Looks like it might have a pattern to it. Come on, focus. Nope. Oh, there you go. Hard to tell with sheep muck on it, so give it a clean. This grass is beautiful. The sheep have nibbled it down well. Oh, I don't know. I might put my glove. No, nothing on it. It looks like there is, but I think it's just scratches from the earth. Sorry, it's not centre of the screen because my mount covers the screen, so I can see this part of the screen. So I'm just focusing it in. Hope you can hear me. The wind's still going. Definitely a button. You can see the shank there, or where the shank was. Oh well, quite thick though. Never found a button that thick before, I don't think. Quite heavy. Right, on to the next. Another hole, another signal. Piece of copper tube. Nothing great. Good signal, good tone. Not a good find. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, hope you can hear me. This was a bugger to find. I've got it. It's like some sort of buckle or something. Can't get into it properly. Yeah, definitely a buckle. You can see the... Sorry, off camera. You can see the part of the pin there. Okay, we'll give that a clean up at home, I think, rather than try and break it now. Oh, he's coming off. Oops, dropped it. Okay, we'll give that a bit of a clean at home, I think. Very thin. Best find so far. Okay, I've gone into a different field now. I had to leave that one, it was way too windy. I don't know if you could hear me, but I could barely hear the signals in my headphones. And yeah, it's just too windy. So I'm on the field with the footpath on the other side. So I'll avoid the footpath. Whoops, done that. The wind's blowing me off the course here. So yeah, we'll keep going here. Probably spend the rest of the time in here. I mean, there's a few more fields. There's quite a few. I don't know how many acres in total. Maybe 15, 20 acres. So I've got plenty to choose from, but we'll stay here. I'm trying to keep on the high ground though, because where I am there's lots of Bronze Age mounds, and not in this immediate area, but in the parish. So I think the higher ground is the best bit at the moment, but unfortunately that's where the wind is. So, oh, signal there. While I got you here, we might as well dig it live. That's an 80, nice squeak 80. Oh, actually, it's quite long. Okay, so it's there. It's a scream. It screamed for a while, so it's quite long. This. Got a feeling it's just going to be a metal bar or something like that. The way the pinpointer was saying, it was quite almost a foot long. It's there. Have a look. Oh, it's that whatever. Oh, hello, look at that. That's alright, that. Not too old. It's a nice buckle, complete buckle. I've got a clue how old, probably early 20th century. Maybe, yeah, about that. Okay, cool. That goes in the good side of the bag. Oh, not too bad of a live dig that. Right, on to the next. Okay, so I've dug a few signals since, mainly blue tubes. Got a signal here, so we'll see what this one is. Okay, it's in here. No, it's not. Oh. Oh. Just aluminium or something like that. Yep, rubbish. Okay. Okay, so the phone I was using to record, my battery died. That's my normal phone. the phone I'm on now is the one I use to record, but my wind mic doesn't work in this one, it works in the other one. My battery's died in the phone I was using, so I'm now on this one. So there'll be no wind mic, so it means I'll have to probably move down to the lower fields. But while I was detecting without it, I found this, which is a shame. That would have made a good live dig. Pretty big. So I've got this phone, I'm going to get back out there onto the lower field with no wind, and hopefully you can hear me on this. See you in a minute. Okay, so I'm down on the lower field now. It's a lot quieter. Both signal and wind. Not what I wanted to be today, but if I want to make a video and avoid the wind, it's where I've got to be, let it look like. So here we are. Okay, so I've got a signal here. Pretty deep. Wait, what's this knife? This knife is, the blade is 6 inches. Just up to there. Go a few inches down. Already. Oh, it's out. Oh. Okay. Semi-interesting. So it's this loop. Probably a horse harness. Possibly handmade. Trying to look for some file marks or something. Yeah, quite interesting. Probably got a bit of age to it. Very deep, very deep. But if you can see, it's even got a slight line there. I don't remember, it was a buckle, but I don't think it was. Pretty cool. Oh well, let's carry on. Add this up. It's quite a nice ornate buckle or something like that. And that just broke off it. Don't know where it was from. There. Whoops. Possibly. Yeah, there, like that. Huh, nice that. Possibly a shoe buckle, maybe? Hair clip, shoe buckle. I'm going to go with shoe buckle. I'll clean it up and put some finds up of it later. Huh, little nice design. Shove this out the hole. Looks like a button. Yeah, definitely a button. Don't forget there's nothing on it. Oh, just dropped it. Chunks broken off. I've had all these finds. Right. Looks like a coin. Well, I saw a coin then. I saw the pattern. Oh, what's that? Nope, what I saw. There we are. There it is. Hey, what's that? The detector's going mad here. Okay, so look what this is. It's not a coin. Blank that side. That side it says cow. With dog tag. Cow? Cow? Is it? Cow something. Cow 8? Cow 8. I reckon they numbered their cows, have they? Don't know what that is. Cow 8. Something like cow. Looks like cow 8. Just found this. Don't know what that is. Harness ring. Maybe a bezel or something. Damn. It's a find. Just keep moving. Okay. Breeze is picking up. Another signal there. 48, 52. Numbers at 63 as well. and 40 there. There, so look. Let's have a look. Still in the hole. Just going past it, try and wedge it out. Okay, it's in my hand. Huh, what's that? Whoops, another button. Yep, ooh, complete this time. Oh, heck. Ooh, gold. Nice. Yeah, quite a nice little button. We all dig buttons, don't we? Oh, come on, there's another button there. Just seen it by eye. Just there. Just caught that by eye. Oh, 2 buttons in one hole. Well, there's a first for me. 1 silver, 1 gold. I'm just going to give this another going over then. Back in a minute. There's nothing else in that hole. It goes to show, always check your holes, because I could have quite easily filled there and walked off and there would have been another button in there. I know it's only a button, but that could have easily been a coin or something else in with a button. Always check your holes, folks. So I just buckle up. Again, not that old. It's all history. That would have been silvered too, or maybe not silver but tinned, is it? Or got a productive little area this. Okay, another signal here. 72, 67, 72. 67, 72. That way 76, 77. Let's have a look. I'm hoping you can see the whole. But you can't, because my mount is covering my camera screen, so I can't really see what you're seeing. Oh, strange. Said it was still in there. That working? Yep. Okay, let's run the detector back over here. Nope, still in there. Maybe it's a bit deeper. Let's go a bit deeper then. feel rain starting to spit. Right, see what's in here now. Is it reachable out? Yep, still deeper though. Right, I'll keep digging and I'll get back to you. Still in there? Just there. Let's have a look. What is it? Gotta be something good. Getting quite clay down this end now. Oh yeah, that just looks like crap. I thought it was the root. Oh dear God, look at that. Oh man. All that for whatever that is. The rest of it's still in here. Oh man. Oh well. Welcome to real metal detecting, folks. Okay, another hole, another find. It's just there. Let's see what this one is. What do you reckon it is? I've dug 2 holes since and I've had crap cans. So I think we found out where they put their rubbish. And that is what we've got here. What's that? Junk. Whoops. Ah. So we've got lead. Oh, we'll say lead. Better than junk. Right, just keep going. Right. Another hole, another signal, another find. Not convinced this one's any good, just because the pitch was one that normally aluminium and stuff comes up on, but we'll give it a dig and we'll see. Is that it? Ooh! And that is a good job I did it. Look at that, nice little buckle. Wow, I wouldn't have guessed that. Again, not sure on age. Maybe 200 years old. Nothing major. I don't think. Still, it's history and that's what we're here for. Right, let's keep looking. Okay, see what we got in this one. Not too deep, just in the side wall there. Ooh, what's this? Hang on, we're going to take a closer look at this. Looks like a button, is it? Yeah. What? Quite nice in the hole there. Silver coloured. Any pattern on it? Doesn't look like it. Nope. So a nice find. Right, let's keep going. I'll tell you what, when I saw this, I'm going to plant it back on the ground how it was. When I uncovered that, I thought I got gold. It's a bloody milk top. Even that side would have been a good. Yeah, tell you what, I've got about half an hour left. So I'm just going to make my way back to the car slowly. I'm going to go up this big hill first. I'll keep detecting all the way. And if I find anything, I'll show you. I'm quite far from the car yet, so I'm sure I will find other bits. Still climbing that hill. But I was just going to say, although not found anything significant, it's been one of the most active days I've had for a long time. Lots of buttons, lots of buckles, well, a couple of buckles, obviously junk. No coins. Have I found a coin? No, no coins. I had that cow number 8 or whatever that was. yeah, it's been a busy couple of hours really. I'm definitely coming back here, just because it's in a good area. I mean, whether there's anything on here or not, I don't know, but yeah, sorry, phone went off. It's in a good area, and it's quite local. I can get here within 10 minutes in a car, and it's peaceful. Oh, signal, stay around for this. It's coming up, sorry, it's coming up at 35, 37. Not very deep, so let's see what that is. Don't know what kind of holes you guys dig. I prefer 3-sided with a flap, just because they're easier to put down and they seem to go back in like a perfect jigsaw piece. Right, still in the hole. Let's get down and look. Okay, so it's there. So we haven't got to do much digging. Okay, so it's just there. And that's it there. And it is a washer. A lead washer, it looks like. Okay, not too bad. Let's check the hole and what happened with those buttons. Nope, nothing there. Fill me all in. Okay, a duck or something going absolutely mad up there. Put my knife back. Right, the battery's going, so I'm going to do an outro in a minute. Even though I'll be probably carry on digging, but I can see something here. Is it a pot leg? Looks like a pot leg, but it's hollow. Any ideas? It doesn't seem very heavy. The pot leg is solid, though. Interesting. Give us your ideas, folks, in the comments. Unless I found out beforehand, but it looks like a pot leg. That'll be the base there of the pot. I'm going to keep on digging, fill in that hole, keep on digging. Still got quarter of an hour to go, but my battery's died on my other phone, as you know, and this one's on 10%. So that's how active it's been. So I'll do my outro. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It was good. I quite like this. I'm not on the chest mount now. I'm on the normal camera, but I quite like that. I can talk and detect. Show my finds. So I'm going to stick with that. So give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. If you give me a thumbs down, just put a comment. Tell me why, what you didn't like about it, or take offence, or you can just email me on my YouTube email. Tell me what you didn't like so I can improve it. Thumbs down is not a bad thing. It just means this video wasn't for you. That's fine. Let me know what it is. If you haven't liked my video, so like it. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. There'll be plenty more coming. It's been a while since I posted a video, but this will be a long time coming. Okay, so check out the descriptions I mentioned. The Unearthed, the LANYARD,